Imagine a technology so revolutionary that it could redefine the boundaries of human innovation, much like the discovery of fire did for our ancestors. Quantum computing is poised to do just that, and investors are taking notice. Companies like ZenaTech Inc., NASDAQ, ZENA, IonQ Inc., NYSE, IONQ, Rigetti Computing, NASDAQ, RGTI, D-Wave Systems, NYSE, QBTS, and quantum computing are leading the charge. And they're not just riding the wave, they're shaping the future. According to analysts at Bank of America, quantum computing could be humanity's biggest breakthrough since the discovery of fire. This isn't hyperbole. Quantum computers have the potential to solve problems that are currently beyond the reach of classical computers, often in mere minutes or even seconds. Imagine discovering new drugs faster, advancing artificial intelligence and machine learning, optimizing financial models, enhancing cybersecurity, improving battery technology, and even strengthening drone navigation. All thanks to quantum computing. But here's where it gets controversial. Some critics argue that the hype around quantum computing might be premature, suggesting that practical applications are still years away. However, the U.S. Department of Defense and other federal agencies aren't waiting around. They are actively pushing for advancements in quantum-resistant communications, post-quantum cybersecurity, and quantum sensing for drone navigation in GPS-denied environments to ensure U.S. defense and aerospace superiority. One company at the forefront of this revolution is ZenaTech. Recently, ZenaTech unveiled its new quantum computing division, a strategic move to accelerate advanced drone and defense capabilities. This division will focus on developing R&D initiatives that leverage the next generation of computing power to tackle complex challenges in modern defense and autonomous drone systems, utilizing ZenaDrone's drone solutions. CEO Sean Pasley, PhD, of ZenaTech, emphasized the significance of this move. We believe quantum computing will be a defining force in the next era of defense and aerospace innovation. By establishing a quantum computing division, we are making a strategic investment in our future. Our goal is to advance cybersecurity, secure communications, next-generation navigation, and massive-scale data processing, preparing our drone platforms for the challenges of tomorrow and contributing to America's global defense leadership. The new division will also advance two existing quantum R&D projects. The Sky Traffic Project aims to use AI-enabled drones and quantum computing to optimize traffic flows and support public safety for government applications. Meanwhile, the Clear Sky Project leverages AI drone swarms and quantum computing to improve localized weather forecasts and predict extreme weather events, potentially saving lives and reducing economic losses. Other notable developments in the quantum computing space include IonQ Inc., a leader in commercial quantum computing and networking. IonQ recently achieved a significant milestone in energy grid optimization. In collaboration with Oak Ridge National Laboratory, ORNL, and the U.S. Department of Energy, DOE, the team demonstrated that their hybrid quantum classical computing approach can solve the unit commitment problem, a critical challenge for power grid operators. This problem involves determining the optimal schedule for power generators to meet electricity demand at minimal cost, a task that becomes increasingly complex as power systems scale and incorporate more renewable energy sources. Rigetti Computing. This pioneering company in full-stack quantum classical computing reported its financial results for the second quarter of 2025. Despite a net loss of $39.7 million, Rigetti remains optimistic about its future. CEO Dr. Subodh Kulkarni highlighted the company's recent demonstration of the industry's largest multi-chip quantum computer, which showcases their proprietary chiplet approach to scaling and their strong financial position. D-Wave Systems, a leader in quantum computing systems, software, and services. D-Wave is hosting its first ever Qubits Japan 2025 user conference in Tokyo. Themed Quantum Realized, the event will feature presentations from D-Wave executives, customers, and thought leaders, showcasing how D-Wave's quantum technology is already delivering tangible value. With bookings in the Asia-Pacific, APAC region up 83% over the past year, D-Wave is seeing growing interest and adoption of its annealing quantum computing technology. Quantum Computing QCI, an innovative company specializing in integrated photonics and quantum optics technology. QCI released its financial results for the second quarter of 2025. CEO Dr. Yuping Huang noted significant commercial progress, including new customer wins across quantum sensing, cybersecurity, and AI. The launch of their operational chip foundry in Arizona represents a major milestone, enabling scalable production and fulfilling pre-orders across various markets. As the quantum computing landscape continues to evolve, these companies are setting the stage for a future where complex problems are solved with unprecedented speed and efficiency. But what do you think? Is the hype around quantum computing justified, or are we getting ahead of ourselves? Share your thoughts in the comments below.